Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money just like this by using this huge free traffic source that you can use for affiliate marketing. And this method is so simple, it is literally copy and paste. And you can use it for ClickBank, Digital24, JVZoo, Amazon or any other affiliate network to promote products and to make money. And actually, to be honest with you, I already talked about this method, but this time I'm going to show you a black hat trick that I never shared before, and also I'm going to show you that this actually works. So make sure to watch the entire video very carefully. Okay, so first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Now, for the purpose of this video, I already chose a niche, and that is weight loss. Why weight loss? Because in 2021, global weight loss market was worth $255 billion. And in weight loss niche, you can find lots and lots of high quality products that you can easily promote and make money. Now, to find those products, you can simply come here on ClickBank Marketplace, and here you can scroll here and click on health and fitness, and here you can find lots and lots of high quality weight loss related products that you can promote and make good money. Also, you can go on Digital24, and here you will see that best selling product of all time on Digital24 is a weight loss product. Also, you can go here and click here on fitness and health, and you can find lots and lots of weight loss related products. You can also find physical products, as you can see here, and you can find lots of digital products that you can promote. Also, you can go on Amazon, and here in search bar, you can simply type weight loss and then click enter, and here you can find lots and lots of physical and also digital products related to weight loss. And also, actually, I was promoting this product here, so let me just scroll here. This product here, I was promoting this 2-3 years ago, and I made a good money promoting this home workout product. So you can actually find lots of high quality, good products in this niche to promote them and to make good money. So what you actually need to do, you need to find a hot sub niche in weight loss in this case. And one of the best places where you can find hot trends is TikTok. So what you actually need to do, you actually need to go on YouTube. And here in search bar, you need to type something like TikTok weight loss, for example, and press space. And here you can see TikTok weight loss transformation, motivation, drink, dance, tips, and so on and so on. These are all the searches, all the terms that people are searching on YouTube. So for example, I just choose TikTok weight loss transformation. So let me just copy this, Control C, and when I go on vidIQ and when I paste that here and press enter, I will actually see that 11,000 people search this every month on YouTube. SEO difficulty is medium. And when I go back on YouTube and when I click here to search this, here you can see there is lots and lots of videos that are showing weight loss transformation on TikTok. And some of these videos are getting thousands and thousands of views. So for example, let me just choose one of these videos. Okay, this video here. Here you can see 153,000. So let me just open this video in new tab so I can check it out. So let me just scroll here. Okay, and click here, show more. Here you can see 3 links. So let me just click here on this one. And here you can see this is actually an affiliate product, as you can see here. So let me just close this and then go back. And here I can see this is an Amazon product. I don't even need to check that. I know this is an affiliate link. And let me just click here on this one also to check it out. And here I can already see by the URL, this is an affiliate product. This is an affiliate link. This is a custom kit. I already promote this product. So this person here already promotes 3 different products from different affiliate networks in one same video. And this video was uploaded on February 8th. This is just 2 months ago, 154,000 views. So I'm guessing that this person is actually making a good money by promoting affiliate products. So what you actually need to do, you need to go on TikTok. And here in search bar, you need to type something like weight loss transformation and then press enter. And here you can see there is lots and lots of weight loss transformation videos. Some of these videos are getting millions and millions of views. 16 million views, 2 million views, 7 million, 6 million views, and so on and so on. And when I click here, load more, it will load more videos. So for example, let me just check one of these girls. So for example, let's just say this first one, okay? So just click here and I will open her profile, TikTok profile in new tab. So let me just close this. And here you can see she have a Linktree link in her bio. So let me just click here and let me just go open anyway. And here you can see she's actually promoting different affiliate products on her TikTok page, and she's getting thousands and thousands of views every day. And she's probably making a lot of money by promoting affiliate products on TikTok. Now, the reason why this is so popular is because these are actually motivational videos. People see all of these people here losing their weight, transforming their bodies, and they think, well, if all of these people can do that, so can I. And that is why this is such a huge trend that you need to use. So what you need to do, you actually need to download 5, 10, 50 of these videos and to make a compilation. Now to do that, you can simply just open this video here, and you don't want to use this link. You actually wish to use this one, this link here. Just click here, copy link. So let me just close this and go on this website here, Snaptick. Paste that link here, click here, download, give it a few seconds, and here you can click download server 1 and download this video to your desktop. Then go back on TikTok, download this video, 5, 10, 50 of these videos. And now you need to make a compilation. Now if you can use one of those video editors, great. But I'm guessing that most of you are beginners, and by far easiest option for you is to actually use Canva. And you can register for a free account on Canva. And then you need to use a mobile video, and you will automatically get a right template. Upload those videos that you downloaded from TikTok, upload them on Canva. And what you need to do, you simply need to drag those videos just like this, okay? And let me just drag this one too. And you can drag 5, 10, so let me just pause this. And you can drag 5, 10, 50 videos and make a compilation. And after you finish everything, here in upper right corner, click here on share, click here on download, and click again on download, and download this video to your desktop. And I would actually suggest you to create another compilation, but this time in YouTube format, and upload this video on YouTube. As you can see, TikTok weight loss transformation is a huge trend on YouTube, and these videos are getting thousands and thousands of views. And you saw that some of these guys are promoting multiple different affiliate products from multiple different affiliate networks, and they're getting thousands and thousands of views, and they're making lots and lots of money. So what you need to do, you actually need to upload this compilation on your TikTok page. And stay with me, there is a Blackhat trick that I'm going to show you. So now you need to create your TikTok page, and you need to add your affiliate link in your bio, just like this girl here. Or to add a Linktree link in your bio where you promote different kind of products just like this girl and make money. After that, you need to start uploading videos on your TikTok page. And here you can see I can upload up to 10 minutes long videos, and that is why we created compilation from 5, 10, 50 videos. So just click here on select file, and this is the video. And here you need to add some catchy caption, and you need to add some relevant hashtags, weight loss transformation, weight loss motivation, and so on and so on. And after this video uploaded, you need to choose best possible cover that will give you best click-through rate or CTR. And to choose cover, you can simply drag this here. As you can see, it's changing cover. And I can choose one of these, so let me just choose one of these, okay? And after you choose the cover, after you add a caption, all you have to do is just click here on post, and you will post this video on TikTok. But problem with TikTok is it is heavily localized, which means if you, for example, live in India, mostly people from India will see your videos. But you actually wish to target United States because United States is the biggest and richest market. So how do you do that? Well, actually, I am using currently a VPN, virtual private network. And here you can see it's showing that my location is United States, even though I'm currently in Europe. So TikTok think that I'm in United States. And actually, when I go here on TikTok, you will see that TikTok is really showing me videos from United States. Because like I said, TikTok thinks that I am in United States, not in Europe. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to install a VPN. Now, you can choose one of those free VPNs, but I would actually recommend to use one of those paid VPNs. I'm currently using Bitdefender Vpn, and it is really, really good, but it costs $50 per year. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to install this VPN on your laptop or your desktop, your smartphone or whatever, and then choose location, United States, and TikTok will think that you live in United States, and you will grow your page, TikTok page in United States. And then you can simply Go back and start uploading as much videos as you can every day, compilations, transformations, motivations, or whatever. Then add a link and send people to your link tree or affiliate link where you promote different products, and you can earn an affiliate commission by promoting your products in United States, on TikTok in United States. Now, as you can see, this actually works. VPNs actually work, and I'm getting videos only from United States. So you should actually try this. So this is how you do affiliate marketing as a beginner on TikTok by targeting specific countries. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.